Look at your past and all your worries in the world. Wonder if you should be on the other side of the world. Getting very serious about being mysterious. Wishing that you could be anyone that you want to.
I found this notebook from Paper Chase, which is so lovely, and I think I have this, it's been like a year already, so I'm gonna use it as my new gratitude journal, scripting journal. Actually, yeah, this one will be for my gratitude journal, which I do every evening before I go to sleep. I want to use more, make it prettier, basically. Use more colors and have a little bit more fun, and use it as a time that I can just unwind and be grateful and visualize all my goals and that sort of thing. So yeah, just wanted to show you because this is absolutely gorgeous, and wow, I love it. All the details, the gold details, I am absolutely in love. I didn't even remember I had this, to be honest. So yeah. So today I just got my prints from the print shop for the shop update on my Etsy, and yeah, just super excited because the prints all look really nice. So now I just have to get to cutting and prepping, and I'm still gonna do a thank you card that I want to print as well. And yeah, everything is looking really nice. I'm gonna be showing you now.
Just one.
Just to show you guys how it usually actually looks like around here. I have things on the ground because I don't have enough space on this table, so sometimes I just put things on the ground when I need more space to cut and assemble, like the prints. I have all these here, which are the A5 of this suit that I have still to cut while I'm watching away. And I have the postcards ready, but it's 8, almost 8:30 now, and that's what I'm gonna keep on doing for a little while. And tomorrow I'm gonna do the photos of those prints. So yeah.
Empty.
almost 8 a.m. I woke up at 7 today, a little later than usual. And this is the mask from last night. That usually is like on the ground, but yesterday I managed to put it in the bin. And here are all the already packed illustrations. There's still this ones to pack. I'm using plastic bags now, but it's only really to run this down because I want to start using something just more easy on the environment. Those are some prints from Holly that I got for myself a couple weeks ago, just arrived. So yeah, this is the beginning of my day. You wake up and just have a bit of black coffee or tea to start my day, write in my journals and do some meditation. But yesterday I stayed till midnight, which is late for me. Here we are, let's do some work. Hey guys, so I've been using I've been recycling old boxes for my prints backing, and so here you see me cutting all the cardboard from whatever box I can find, really, IKEA or whatever, and I use them as the backing for shipping all the prints. For these ones I am packing for an art exhibition that I had that went on in Lisbon, and to some art galleries that stock my work. So it's not all for a shop. I had a lot of stock to send to my stockists and things like that around the city. Finally, here are the results for some of the prints that I'm so proud of. Look at the texture of this lady, and they are all now on my Etsy shop. This one, all the prints actually, I use a 300 GSM paper. They vary between this matte white paper and this more texture paper. This one I actually reprinted because I found this paper translated so much better, all the texture, and it's so much more vibrant than the one I was using before. This one I just wanted to show you guys how I messed up before and how the colors were all messed up. I don't know if you can see how like it's a bit reddish, and it's just like she's pale, just not like at all like the original illustration. And this is how it looks now, the new print with the more textured paper, and I finally got the colors right. It's so much more vibrant and I'm so proud of it. I loved it. And this is the comparison between the two, my first attempts to doing it and now. This is also another print that's available, and it's the Still Here Still Life challenge, drawing challenge that I did. It's on Instagram. It is the first that I did and I really like it. So yeah, I guess I'll leave it for here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys later.